Hello, welcome to Lisa Marvin Art. I thought I'd do a little quick multi-bloom for you. That's TLP, this little piggy cappuccino, really gorgeous brown. That's TLP or one of my favorite golds. This is Holbein Shadow Green. I'm not much of a green lover, but this shade of green really gets me because it has a kind of nice bluish tint to it that I really enjoy. So multi-blooms can be a little challenging because I'm blowing 3 blooms at once, and you don't want to go too slow. By the way, that's TLP Pinwheel, which is a pink to blue shift interference. So in certain lights, you're going to see blue. That's TLP Sea Glass, one of my favorite light greens. That is golden magenta. And I'm putting my TLP Cell Activator, which is titanium white and Australian Floetrol, about 3:1. I don't measure. And then I blow them out. So as I was saying, the challenge is not letting it sit too long, because if you let that blown out bloom sit for too long, it will start to kind of warp while you're blowing out your other blooms. So you have to be a little quicker if you're on the slow side. And there you go. I just blow them out, and pretty soon, once they're all blown out, I'm going to take my skewer and kind of schmooze the edges together, kind of make them make more sense a little bit, and then spin her out. And there you have it, a little multi-bloom. So I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think. Give me some color combo ideas if you want me to do some more multi-blooms. I love to get some new color combos that I might not even think of. So drop me some color combos. Let me know, multi-bloom, yay or nay. Have a nice day. Bye.